They're ready, they'll come and take the one. Thank God it's Friday. In the life, so the outfit of the day. My sandal with this free.
You don't go round like this.
I'm walking my name, so
The pepper.
watching. Like I know. I don't know, no man. You can help for you. Help for you. Remove your hands from the phone.
2,000 years later.
You'll be able to pour it out from that. Yes.
A few moments later.
They are going to enjoy themselves today. I don't know where we're going to, but we're going to go out. Yeah? Bofuma again, speak English. I will not his clothes. That's Latin.
I will not his clothes.
I'm going to, I don't know, park, cafe, Coldstone. I don't know where we're going to. You know, this is the second time I'm having Coldstone. If you go to Coldstone, I've not really been to Coldstone before. Like, this is the second time. Because I don't know what the ice cream is overrated, if you ask me. So, we're going to cook. We're going to be doing back to school prep on another vlog. We're baking cake, banana bread, zobo for the kids. I'm doing it in batches, I'm not doing that bulk. I want to do pineapple and coconut for them. I bought juice packs because my son doesn't like smoothies when he sees it in a cup. So I bought the juice packs of them so that if he sees it in the lunch bag, he'll definitely eat it. So let's get the vlog rolling. How you guys doing? Happy Sunday. Say happy Mother's Day to me in the comments. If I knew today was Mother's Day, I could have dressed for the occasion, but it was just a casual fit. So just a casual fit. So I'll see you guys later. You guys already know that this small munchkin is my kitchen assistant. She's always in the kitchen. Mommy, what can I help you with? Mommy, what can I do for you? Mommy, I want to help you. Oh boy, those singular words melt my heart. So I'm utilizing this opportunity to always put her in the kitchen. What I know she likes to do, those little things, open no, stir, get the sachet tomatoes, bring curry, bring this, bring that. She already knows everything. She can fry egg at this point. She knows a lot, so catch them young. Okay, with that being said, let's dive into the conversation for today. A colleague or a customer came to do something in the office, and it was like one thing led to another, and they're talking about how to make your children serious, how to let them know that mommy and daddy is providing this at the moment. Doesn't mean that they have it in quantum. Just like I tell my girl, I don't go out and go and pick soap, or we don't go out to go and pick detergent, because the way those children use that thing is as if you have a factory behind the house where it's being produced. But that's a story for another day. So the man was telling his children that I don't have a company to pass down to you. That these school fees, these are abroad I'm sending you to. That's the company I have for you. And I'm like, that's so interesting. The company I have for you is this good education, good foundation I'm giving you. You should utilize the opportunity, harness the environment, make good use of it. Don't go and join bad company. Do what you're supposed to do. Do it right, get it right, and the sky will be your limit. And I'm like, wow. He said yes, so that he's not into all those things, people that will come and be working to thy kingdom come, all to give you. Oh, but just let's pause, take a minute to appreciate this smoky jollof rice. I don't do basic jollof rice, yeah, that's why I always top it with carrot, any veggies I have. For that day, I had carrot and spring onion. So I took the kids out for an ice cream date, ice cream and pizza dates before school resumes. You guys must have seen that vlog. This one is after because I have lots of vlogs that have been pre-recorded. So just engage on this, okay? So the man was like, now he has given you, I've given you all I have to give you. I'm not going to go extra miles. That then he was not talking about people that work after 60. That please, as you're working after 60, where will your kids work? You will be working till you're 60. After that, you still work your way back and come into the company. And you say you are making that children are, I don't know whether it's only me that they told that we are the future, we are the future generation. Because I can't see we are the future leaders. Because people I read in the books, they are still in government today. People that is only the only person I know that is no longer there is like Ojuku. Every other person, IBB, yes, that person is not there, but IBB mates are still in seats. So what are we talking about? We are the future generations. That one has scam. Shebi they don't come on history from the curriculum, so I don't know what else that. So that's just what it is. Because the man was like that. He has given his children the foundation that he's supposed to give them. That he's not going to give them something else or go out of his way. Or go out of his way to do the things that he's not supposed to do when he has given them his company. Oh boy, that conversation made me believe that you really need to have our sponsor. What your children are, what they can relate. It shapes them when they want to scam school. Once in a while out. I was just trying to say it shapes them. Especially when they when you tell them that you have to do this for you to be successful, for you to have the luxury lifestyle you wish to have, all this that you're getting doesn't mean that your parents have it. But you choose to prioritize, to choose to be intentional when they were kids, to do what they were supposed to do so they can have the So one example, you need to be extremely attentive, smart, intelligent, self-aware, attention. So without being said, just had the family time as back to school was already setting in. This vlog it's been pre-recorded, yes. The back to school vlog is up and this is the one that's supposed to come right after the already scheduled videos. So thank you for watching. If you watched to this point, which part of the vlog resonates with your spirit? Okay. At what age do you start teaching your child how to cook? Male, female? Do you start telling them they need to take up responsibilities of the house chores and all? So at this point we were done. We went to the second place after the ice cream. And you know that lift fear, being an elevator fear we had it. Thank you for watching. Mwah!